But here we are. First of, first of all, you have to uh, like type on Firefox. I already have it downloaded here. You can do the update if you want, but when you download it, you won't have to do the update because it should already be updated. And there's actually like the other Firefox, but you have to download this one right here. Okay. So now I already have it downloaded. I'll go back and then actually so I have it downloaded, right? So here it is. Now first of all, let's go to Instagram. By the way, you can't save captions from Safari now. So I will tell you that. Let's save. For example, you see this. Okay, this doesn't have a caption. This video, like, um, um, hmm, like this, the junkie burger. So I want to save the caption. Okay, here, like, see the caption he wrote, like the junkie double burger tower. You can't save it through the app. So first of all, tap on the three buttons, press on copy link, and now go to Firefox and basically just tap on the plus button to open new tab and then paste the link. I will do it just from this button right here. Okay, then when you paste the link, now just like hold it, and now see it did that. And now I'm going to like adjust it, and now press on copy, and there you go. You can easily save any post captions or even videos captions. Subscribe to me, like the video, comment what you want to make next, share with all your friends, and now bye.